everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem JD gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Start off by opening up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in www.jdsports.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of JD Sports, which looks like this. You'll need to go log into your account first in order to redeem your gift card. So simply go mouse over to your My Account tab at the top right hand corner and click the sign in link. Now enter the email address and the password associated with your account on the next page. Make sure to enter your credentials correct to log into your account right away. Once you've done that, click on the sign in button beneath. Soon after you logged into your account, you'll need to go pick a product that you'd like to redeem your gift card with from the home page or from the list of the categories displayed on the screen. Let me pick a product right here just to show it to you. Once you select the product for yourself, go and pick the sizes for your product and check if everything's okay. Select if you'd like the item shipped to your address or you'd like to pick it up in store and click on add to basket. Your basket will be displayed in the pop-up at the right hand side of the screen. Click on proceed to check out button and now enter your shipping information. Fill in all of the information needed. Once you type in all of your information, click on one of the delivery method over here and click on continue to payment. In the payment area, you'll need to verify your address. Once everything looks okay, click on continue. Now, this is your payment and billing section. You'll need to select a payment method. You can use your Visa card, your MasterCard, and other options displayed right here. If you want to redeem your gift card with JD Sports, then you can click on this use a gift card button so that you can use your gift card as a method of payment with the product. Type in your card number, which is available at the back of your JD gift card. Make sure to enter your information correct. Once you do that, type in your PIN code on the next box. Your PIN code will be located at the back of your gift card as well. And finally, after everything's okay, click the apply button right next to it. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to redeem or use your gift card online for JD Sports. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.